It's not that someone will come and lift you up saying that I can support you, I will support you. Not your business partner, not your parents, not your life partner too. If you have that person, you're lucky. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Counter Podcast, and you're listening to Consan Show, episode number 210. And in this episode, we'll just discuss about how do you believe in yourself. It is a very important quality to be a leader. Believing in yourself, believing in your goals and the self-confidence that you have. And let's discuss. Let's get started. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Counter Podcast. You're listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. I 100% believe in massive success. The unlimited potential that I have in my life. You are not familiar with unlimited success or unlimited potential, make sure you just listen to my previous podcast and watch my previous video. That will be over here. So let's jump into the topic. Unlimited success. What do I really mean by that? Unlimited success in the sense your I can do should be greater than I can't do. Think about this. If I just tell you that you can go to Mars, if you can say that yes, one fine day I'll go to Mars, you are really confident. If you can say that, man, is that really possible for human beings to live in Mars? That means your I can't do is greater than I can do. Think about this. You are being wired just like that in your life. You have to change that. You have been brain tattooed that if you just hear something new, that means you cannot do it. That is how your school system is, or that is how you have been grown. I'm not gonna blame someone else for this. I'm not gonna blame yourself too. It is your responsibility at this particular moment to believe in yourself. Believe in yourself that you can do it no matter whatever happens in your life. There are people who take massive action in their life. There are people who just believe that they can do anything in their life. But there are other people, the other side of the coin. They feel like to learn something new, to achieve something new, they need a mentor. They need someone to help them. They need someone to support them. They feel like their mindset is completely weak. To be true, it's not at all weak. To be true, in your path of success, it's completely lonely. It's not that someone will come and lift you up saying that I can support you, I will support you. Not your business partner, not your parents, not your life partner too. If you have that person, you're lucky. Or to be true, most of these people who have achieved in their life, the top 10 millionaires, it might be Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, it might be Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, or it might be someone else. So for those people, no one just supported at the beginning. No one just bets on a horse that is running for the first time, right? No one want to waste their time on you. You need to understand this. Of course, your family might be completely supportive to you. Of course, your family might tell you that no matter whatever you do, you will be right for sure. But to be true, think about this strategy. Think it very strategically. Are you really right? Can you do it? Yes, you can do it, but how can you do this? Think about this. Take action every single day. Take action about this one particular thing that you always wanted to do. And you have to understand that it is your life and you have to take 100% responsibility in your life. No one else will come just to you saying that sitting on your couch, breaking your homes now and saying that you are a wizard, Harry. I'll help you out to find out what are the tricks that you can learn. So no, that's not going to happen in your life. You need to understand that. There are plenty of people who will discourage you. It is because people are there to discourage. People are afraid of the unknown. If you just do it, until someone else do it, it is completely impossible. When the moon landing just happened, what really people just said? I mean, before it, it's not at all possible to take a man to the space, and Russia did it. Russia took man to space, and what was USA's reply to it? They just took them to the moon. That really happened. When the Wright brothers just took off the flight, what really happened? People said that, is it really possible to make a power man flight out of a bicycle shop? That's not really feasible. That's not really gonna happen. And their flight just the flight was just on air for 12 seconds. Just imagine 12 seconds. We travel from India to the other side of the world. That is still America today. That is still USA today. And people just, if someone would have told Wright brothers that one fine day the technology that you are inventing, this will be the reason why people are flying from Bangalore to New York, they would have said, probably that sounds funny, but it is happening today, right? So no matter whatever you do it with 100% confidence. There are people who just consider themselves as really low, but there are people who take 100% responsibility no matter whatever their goals are. Even though if it sounds really impossible to them at the beginning, they take 100% responsibility and they make it happen. Consider Elon Musk. You guys know who is Elon Musk. I don't want to tell you about him. When he just said that I'm gonna start a colony in Mars and humans gonna live in Mars and I'm gonna die one fine day in Mars, people would have said, man, you might have drunk today. It sounds really crazy. It sounds really horrible. But what's happening today? It's really happening, right? I don't know. Will it happen in when Elon Musk is still alive? I don't know. But there is some 80% of chance that humans will be migrated to Mars one fine day. Probably you might not be alive to watch that, or I might not be alive to look at that. But one fine day it will happen. But the sole reason and the core reason of that particular thing is, of that particular mission is Elon Musk. How did he dream of it? How did he is making happen? How did he is making things happen? It is because he believes in himself. It is your belief. It is your dreams. It is your baby that you should take care of it. And make sure you grow it as a bigger child, and make sure you make it as a great man or a woman, and that will be really awesome. And the shout out in this episode is for Digital Yum. Digital YUMM. Yeah, that's the username. And he is a digital marketing Instagram page. He has that, and it's an awesome page for sure. Make sure you guys just check it out, and you'll have tons of value to learn from his page. And I am learning a lot of things in digital marketing from his page too. And make sure you guys check it out. Hit that red button if you are really interested to watch my videos, and that means the world to me. And if you could hit that bell notification next to it, every day my motivational dose will be delivered to you every single day as soon as you wake up. Trust me, as soon as you wake up, the first notification that you'll be receiving will be my podcast. This is my assurance. And I'll meet you guys in my next podcast. Until then, it's me, Sanjay, signing off from Contra Podcast. Meet you guys at the next podcast. Meet you guys at the top. Thank you. Bye bye.